This is a Libre 7 lesson in exporting a document to PDF. We're going to open up this document here, test 2, and we're going to go up to the upper left where there's an icon, this icon right here. We click on that and it's going to go as a PDF. Let's name that test 2 PDF and save that. Okay, we're going to go and first off note that this current file that we saved is an ODT file. We're going to close it, and well, we're going to go open up the PDF, and I'll go to Explorer and to my documents, and as you can see, there's a test 2 PDF, and the ODT document is above it. Okay, so let's open up the PDF, and I want you to note that it's going to be editable. So we'll open and get this thing open, and I'm going to show you that you can edit it just by, there you go, it's editable. Okay, now it is the PDF file, and we're going to close that. I can hit don't save because it's already saved. Now we're going to go let's see, let's go to test 2 again. I'm going to show you the long way to do this. You can click on the file, go to export as PDF, and see the box where it says general hybrid PDF. You want that clicked, you want that checked. Okay, and so we're saving it the long way, and we're going to call it I don't know, ABC test 2 ABC PDF. Now we save that. Close the ODT file. Well, and there's the ABC file. You click on that, open it, and note that it is editable, and you can close this file. That's how it's done, folks. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. We will have more lessons as time goes on here. We're going to probably come up with one a week.